Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Luna Classic video update today. Trading at 12,867. So on the smaller time frame, at the 15 minutes, we got some little bit of an issue here. So you can actually say that got left shoulder head here and right shoulder going on. The second thing is, if we talk about the same thing on the daily time frame as well, we got a little bit of shooting star here. So on the daily, it's going to be something like this. Now I told you yesterday that Luna Classic was pretty much oversold, and due to that oversold level, we had a small little bit of a pump to the upside, and I did expect a 14,000 or 15,000 level to happen, and that actually did play out. At this point of time, I cannot say that there's something positive about it, but rather much there could be more interesting things to come. And what I mean to say is that you are looking at a spinning top right here, and the next thing that you might actually end up having is the following. So one green candle, the doji right there in the middle, and then this red candle. So you can end up making this shooting star, which is actually reversal candle to the downside, and then you can make this three pattern candlestick known as an evening star, which is also another bearish candle to move Luna Classic to the downside, which actually brings an interesting point as well, that if you want to continue higher, then you probably might want to come above the shooting star technical target, do something like this, go back up and cross above it and try to hold, and then we could actually try to move to the upside as well. So at this point of time, this is the following. The bigger picture is on the daily, where you have one support, a move to the downside, you're climbing back up. So was this the end of the pump? Was this like the whole retest right over there? Because normally what they do is they don't give you a very easy retest. For example, people were expecting that they're going to get some price level right over here. Maybe they were expecting that this is the place where the retest is done, right? So you got rejected, you made a bearish closing and make this the next green candle as your retest, and this is where they started to short out. And then from there, what the market makers decide to do is take the whole complete stop losses right over here. So I do think that if you're going to end up coming above this area, then that means you're still going to continue higher other than going to the downside. But right now, if you ask me that is there any chance for the coin to move to the downside, I do think it actually has the chance to move to the downside due to all these bearish candlesticks happening. And by the way, Bitcoin is also in some sort of a mode to go down to maybe $21,000 or $22,000. Now it's actually a pity. It actually is really, really sad to see that even though Bitcoin really even made it to $26,000, a lot of coins did even a 2-3x as we speak. Luna Classic never did anything. Instead, it has been more of a disappointment than anything else. So it is what it is. Quite a bad, scary coin to actually have. But I don't know. Long term, hopefully we get to give us something in the long term, maybe 1-2 years game right now. So that's pretty much it for this update on Luna Classic. I'm going to see you the next one. Hello, Hafiz.